as the biggest food and wine festival in New York City, we took our cameras over to Piers 92 and 94 on Manhattan's West Side for the 2018 New York City Wine and Food Festival. This weekend showcased America's favorite chefs and state-of-the-art kitchen products at the GBK Celebrity Official Thank You Lounge. Gavin Kelly, CEO and founder of NYCWFF sponsor GBK Productions, discussed with us the creation of the Thank You Lounge for the chefs and celebrities in attendance this year.
It's a thank you lounge to all the chefs that participate, and help out obviously the food banks, but 100% goes to them. So it's a phenomenal event, and the chefs are volunteering their time to be part of it. So that's why we wanted to put together a little thank you, well maybe it's a big thank you depending on how you look at it, with a variety of items.
Delaina Dixon, entertainment TV host and DivaGalsDaily.com editor-in-chief, talked to us about how she has been loving the lounge so far.
I'm so inspired to want to cook because there's like cool things like cooking boards and machines that make your entire meal. Actually, that might make me cook.
We chatted with a number of stations within the lounge to discuss their fantastic kitchen and wine themed products that are sure to add a touch of modern flair to your decor. From ovens.
We call it a 7-in-1 because it does replace a lot of things in your kitchen that you don't really need a toaster, you don't need a toaster oven. You don't need to put on your oven, especially in the summer.
We have patented Pure Light technology. We have 3 lamps on the bottom and 3 lamps on the top, and we harness infrared light.
All the way to luxury travel fashion.
We make it as a fashionable purse and bags. As you can see, we have messenger bags. But the cool part about it is that it stores and pours up to 2 bottles of wine.
We have a suitcase that has been designed expressly for the safe transport of wine, spirits, and even craft beer now.
In addition, we spoke about the excitement of chefs and celebrities supporting these products and genuinely enjoying them.
Alex just came by a while ago. I saw her last night at the 25-year celebration for Food Network, and we got to talk. I talked to her, of course, in Aspen, and she was sharing some stories of her booze board.
Is there anyone specifically that you met yesterday or today that you were really excited to meet?
Well, Gianna came up to our booth yesterday, and that was really fantastic. It didn't look like she had much time to kind of go around, but she came straight to our booth, and I kind of talked to her for a few minutes, and she's like, "I want 3 of your knives." So yeah, that was a great experience there. 100%
of the net proceeds at NYCWFF benefit No Kid Hungry and Food Bank for New York City. If you'd like to know more about these charities or how you can get involved in next year's festival as a chef, vendor, attendee, or any other inquiries, contact info at nycwff.org or visit their website. This is Cody on UK reporting for BronxNet.